Today's craft: paper towel roll airplane. Supplies: paper towel roll, cereal box, construction paper, paper clip, glue and scissors. Step 1. Cut out the airplane's wings and tail from a cereal box. Also cut out 2 small strips of cardboard from the cereal box for the propeller. It helps to cut the tail of the airplane at the end of the cereal box, since you have to bend the cardboard over the paper towel roll. Likewise, cutting the front of the wings at the other end of the cereal box is useful for the same reason. Step 2. Cut out pieces of construction paper to cover the cardboard pieces you previously cut out. When you cut out the strips for the propeller blades, make them slightly longer than the cardboard strips so you can fold the construction paper over the edges of the cardboard. Step 3. Glue the strips of cardboard together to create the propeller. Put the paper clip through the center of them and cover them with the construction paper strips. Bend one side of the paper clip to expose the pointy end and poke it through the cardboard. Bend it back again and poke it through the other way. The construction paper will cover the metal hook it creates. Step 4. Glue the wings and tail pieces of the cardboard to the paper towel roll. Glue the cardboard with the printed side up. You can cover the design of the cereal box with construction paper, while underneath will remain brown. Step 5. Cover the wings and tail of the airplane craft with construction paper. Poke a hole in the front of the plane for the propeller. You can use the pointy end of the paper clip to make a hole in the front of the airplane. Step 6. Insert the paper clip into the hole to attach the propeller. Squeeze the paper clip so it is very thin right at the propeller, and then wide everywhere else before inserting it. This will keep the propeller from falling out. The following images were submitted to be shared in a video. If you would like images of your crafts in a future video, submit them via Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or Google+ with the hashtag easycraftshunt. This gallery features various airplane crafts. Find us on your favorite social media website and at easycraftshunt.com. Pictures provided by easycraftshunt.com. Made with Pixlr Editor and Movie Maker. Intro by Delphin Studios. Music by Kai Engel. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and share. Subscribe for more fun craft videos, and thanks for watching.